Today we are going to talk about this. Slide here, slide there, slide everywhere with Slidertech. This is Slidertech again. Today we are going to talk about this clock alarm that also projects via this light to the wall. If you are at night and want to see the time, you press here and it turns on the light to the wall. You can see the time. It also shows you the temperature in the room. It's very easy to use. Via these buttons you can change the time, make your alarm clock. This amazing clock is powered by a cable type C connector. With this battery, it saves your time and configuration that you wouldn't need to set it up again. I give it 5 slides up. You can put it near your bed when you go to sleep and want to see it at night. It's amazing. For more information, click the link below. It costs 119 shekels. Thank you and see you again next time.